What's good, y'all? We are headed to the movies to see Oppenheimer, and you guys already know I'll come back with a review. Oh, and by the way, welcome to the new vlog. It's another summer vlog. What up, y'all? Let's do a quick Amazon unboxing. I've already opened it. As I was opening it, I was like, maybe I should share with you guys. So, you know what I got? Here we go. I got some goodies for my Bible. Yeah, so I got some highlighters and pens that should be friendly to the Bible paper. And then I got some Bible tabs. Honestly, just to decorate my Bible because I am aware of the location of the books of the Bible in the Bible. But I just wanted to spruce up my Bible a little bit. And then I got a Bible cover, which I feel like I need because my Bible does have a little wear and tear on it. I've had this Bible for years, but since the digital Bible has come along, I have not been picking up my physical Bible so much. But as you can see, I do use it. I have used it. Um, yeah. So I just felt like I needed to protect it since it does have a bit of wear and tear on it. And if you guys were wondering, I do use the Life Application Study Bible. It is the NIV.
One eternity later.
This is the final product of me applying the labels to my Bible. I'm just showing you here. And then here's a bookmark that came with the Bible cover. I'm showing you the Bible cover here. This is just a bookmark that I already had that I've been using for quite a few years now. And here I'm just showing you the pockets of the Bible inside and out, the structure of it, what it's looking like, what it's giving or what it's not giving. I will say it is giving kind of poorly made, if I'm being honest, but I think it will do what I need it to do for now. Hopefully it lasts a while and the zipper does not break or anything like that. So then we just get into basically what it looks like inside of the cover. As you can see, it kind of fits kind of too big for my Bible. And then here I'm just showing you the extra room inside. And then here are my highlighters and pens that I purchased. They're supposed to be no bleed highlighters and pens. The pens do all right black. And then here I'm just showing you an example of the highlighter as I highlight. Initially it looks like it does bleed through, but as it dries and I flip it over, you'll be able to see that it does not bleed through, unlike the yellow highlighter that I've used in the past. And so then I sample the pen, whether or not it bleeds through. It's kind of hard to tell. You can kind of see it on the back side of this page, but I think for the most part, I think it does a good job of not bleeding through. And then here I'm just showing you where I've placed the pens and the highlighters. I will say I have since moved them. Yeah, and then so if I'm being honest, the quality of this isn't the greatest. As you can see, the zipper is kind of you can tell the zipper is cheap. The quality is also pretty cheap for this cover, but it didn't cost that much. I think it was like 10 bucks plus free shipping. As I have added the markers and things to it, it seems to fit a little better than when I initially tried it. But yeah, I do like the print. So I'm just trying to spruce up my Jesus time, you know? Get back to basics, because when I use the Bible app on my phone, I'm not as focused. So I'm going back to basics. And yeah, this cover is poorly made, so I'm really hoping that it holds up. If not, I'll just have to purchase another one, but we're gonna try this out. What up, y'all? We are headed to see another movie. I'm actually going to see Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. yeah, so you guys know I will come back with a review. Hopefully y'all can see me, though hear me, because the wind is blowing. Hey y'all, the movie was actually pretty good. The storyline, I don't know, kind of childish, but again, it's about mutant turtles. So yeah, it's warm. I'm probably gonna head to the beach in a little while. Of course, I will bring you guys along. Yeah, so go check out Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It was pretty funny, dope music from the 90s. So yeah. Listen, y'all, I forgot to freeze my ice packs. So, this is what we're doing to put ice in the cooler just for fruit and water. And I'm packing a little bag because we're headed to the beach. And in case I want some chocolate or something other than fruit, I got my macro bar. And this is pretty much what my bag looks like. I will see y'all at the beach. What is up, y'all? I'm back with another shopping haul. This time I got some things for myself and I got some things for the turtle. So we'll start with some things for myself. These things I actually got from Target to help me with school. As you know, I went back to school this summer and it will continue until next summer. So I need to get organized. If you know, you know, I'm generally an organized person, but what I've realized is that my digital calendars and planners, they help and they work, but I need a visual every day. So, with that being said, let's get right into it. So, I got a I got a whiteboard calendar to help me just a little bit better understand my day when I wake up, where I'm going, what I'm doing. Just little small things, but everything else in detail is usually in my iPad calendar slash planner. Now I got a triboard foam. I have a reason for this. I will share later the purpose for me purchasing this. So I'm excited to share this. I won't call it a project, it is who I am. Um, that's the best way I can put it. And then I bought post-its for my whiteboard. Some of you may figure it out before I actually get to showing you what I'm doing with this project. But yes, you'll see. I'm definitely excited about that because um, I know this is my blessed season because there are a lot of things going on, a lot of moving parts. Things are shifting and changing, and I'm excited for it. I am going to keep you guys posted on that as I get through what I am going through. Not that it's anything negative. Again, it's life, you know, trials and tribulations. So let's keep moving with this shopping haul. If you guys hear the dogs, sorry for that. The pool guy is here cleaning the pool. So that's why I put the mic on. Hopefully, it minimizes you hearing their barking. Oh, and so the other thing that I got a room shelf. This thing right here is what I got. It's 4 cubes. And in a moment, you'll know why I purchased that. And I got two storage bins to go inside, even though it's 4 cubes. I feel like two is enough. Maybe I can put a couple things on display. I'm not sure yet, but there's a reason for this. And that sums up my recent Target haul. The reason behind my storage bin has a lot to do with the turtle. I needed a shelf for it to put it on, to put the tank on, because I feel like I needed to be functional and not just to have the turtle's tank on it. So, speaking of the turtle, oh, we went to PetSmart again because guess what? This turtle's getting ready to get a permanent home. Okay, at least for now. I think this tank will last for a while. I'm going to show you what I purchased to set up the tank, and then I'll show you the tank in just a moment. So we got a turtle dock so it can bask. And if you guys don't know, aquatic turtles, they need UVB and UVA rays to help it stay healthy from like fungus and things of that nature that can cause disease in them. So hopefully Echo, which is the name of my turtle, if you haven't seen the previous vlog, I think Echo will be happy. We got a heater for the water. Apparently, the water needs to be a certain temperature, I think like around 78 degrees. So, um, this heater, it actually has an auto shut off and it's already technically set at 78 degrees. And then I got a filter, obviously, to filter the water and all the crap out. Because if you guys don't know, turtles stink. So this filter is good for up to 20 gallons. I did get a 10-gallon tank because, again, the turtle is roughly maybe 2 centimeters. The other thing I purchased were some rocks for the aquarium. I just got 2 packs. Hopefully, this is enough. I don't want to overcrowd the aquarium so it has room. But I did realize that the little pebbles should not be in the tank because the small crab tank that I have, it's hard to clean that out with those little pebbles. But also, as I was reading and looking at YouTube videos and things of that nature, doing more research on the turtle, how to create a habitat for them. It did say not to use the small pebbles in the tank because they may mistake it for food, which I have not noticed Echo trying to eat the little pebbles. So we got a nice little upgrade. And then because we have the cat now, I will continue to keep the turtle in my room because with cats, you just never know. So instead of going all the way downstairs, lugging this aquarium up and down the stairs, I got a little pitcher to use to fill the tank whenever I need to clean it, whatever. This is for the turtle. Um, I purchased a little fish net, just in case there's leftover food or something like that. I can just get it out. This I actually got from Walmart. And then I got this because, and then I got a new power strip because I need it. Because there is the filter that I need to plug in, the heater that I need to plug in, and then the heat lamp and the UVB lamp, which I have not shown you yet. I will in a moment. Anyways, got a new power strip for that. Oh, the power strip I did get from Target. And so, out of all of the things that I purchased for this turtle when I went to PetSmart, I tried to look for these things in Walmart, just to see if I could save a few dollars. The only thing I got out of Walmart actually was the fishnet and the aquarium with the lid. So, anyways, I got the lighting kit. Bruh, I swear. When I looked online, I thought this lighting kit was like $25. Maybe I was just looking at the lights and not the whole kit. At any rate, this whole kit this whole kit was like $75. Mm, it's okay because I want to see Echo thrive and have a good long life. So hopefully Echo is happy with this. And then the final thing that I got, I'm actually going to pivot and pick up the camera for this because I don't want to pick up the aquarium, which is a 10-gallon aquarium. It should be good enough for Echo for quite a few years. We'll see how he or she does. If you don't know, really won't be able to tell what the turtle is until it's roughly around 2 years old. Typically, you can tell whether it's a male or female based on the tail and the nails, the front nails specifically. Usually, males, their nails are usually longer in the front, and the females are usually pretty short. And then the tail, I can't remember the tail, but I think with the tail, I think the male's tail, I feel like, if I remember correctly, is shorter or longer. At any rate, I won't know what the sex of this turtle is for a couple of years. So, if you didn't see the previous vlog, check it out. I'll put it up here in the cards for you to check it out. But I chose a unisex name, Echo, for that purpose. And I love it. All right, so let's get to the size of the tank. And then I think I'm going to assemble the shelf on camera. My plan was to set up the tank and let it sit, filter through for the 24 hours, and then place Echo in the tank. I'm not sure if I'm going to actually set the tank up tonight. These things I purchased a couple of days ago, with the exception of the things that I bought from Target. I did get those today, but all the things for the turtle I purchased a couple days ago, and they have just been sitting on my floor. Um, yeah. Right now it's almost 5 p.m. and I did work today. So I'm not sure if I'll get around to the tank. However, fast forward, I will probably come back another day and definitely show you guys me setting up the tank. And yeah, that's that. I'm also trying to decide where I actually want to put this tank in my bedroom. I definitely have enough room. It's just how I want to arrange my furniture. Actually, I am thinking about putting the turtle on this wall, and actually specifically right here. Although this is my reading corner, I'm thinking about putting it here. However, I do know that you should not sit the tank too close to like the window or bright lights. So I'm not sure. I'm thinking about maybe moving my desk on this wall and putting the turtle tank where my desk currently is. Um, you guys will see as I'm trying to figure this out. But I will at least put together this 4 cube. What is it called? It's called a 4 cube organizer. I will at least put this together today. So, yeah, let's get into that. Oh, before I do that, let me show you the 10-gallon tank that I got with the lid. By the way, the screen cover was separate from the tank, and it was like 13 bucks. The tank itself was like 25. Like, this turtle is costing me money. I think overall, the other day, I spent roughly $250 on this turtle. And then today, I bought this, which was 33 bucks, and the two bins were like $5 a piece. So another 43 bucks. Don't know why I had to really think about that. So overall, this turtle has cost me about 300 bucks. You know, we love the animals around here. What more can I say? What other animal can we put in our house? Please tell me. But I'll also show you guys Echo in a little while, because he or she has become really social. I'm very proud of Echo, because if you guys don't know, turtles are usually pretty like skittish, skittish, meaning they usually like high, like they usually like peek their heads up above water to see what's around them. They're very observant of their surroundings. But Echo has gotten so used to me, and Echo is always begging for food. When he or she sees the bedroom light come on, and when he or she sees me just like chilling out in my room, whether it's Bible study or whatever I'm doing, if I'm sitting at my desk, I will turn my head and listen. Echo is just staring a hole at me like, girl, what are you doing? So we love animals, and I'm thrilled to have Echo as an addition to our family. So, with that being said, let's get into it. Okay, so this is the tank that I got. It's 10 gallons, and that is the screen cover. That's the screen cover. Yeah. And so that is what it will look like. And the heat lamp will go on top. And all this you will see. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.